January 7, 2012, a hot air balloon crashes near Carterton, New Zealand. January 19, 2012, the Hong Kong-based file-sharing website Meghawpload is shut down by the FBI. January 26, 2012, Nintendo Network is opened in Nintendo 3DS. January 23, 2012, the European Union adopts an embargo against Iran in protest of its continued effort to enrich uranium. February 6, 2012, the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II marks the 60th anniversary of her accession to the thrones of the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. February 19, 2012, Iran suspends oil exports to Britain and France. March 13, 2012, the Encyclopedia Britannica discontinues its print edition. March 22, 2012, Dark Pit is first appeared in Kid Icarus, Uprising. April 4, 2012, Jacob and Audrey turned 11. April 12, 2013, Robin and Elsinore first appeared in Fire Emblem, Awakening. April 13, 2012, Kwangmyong-song 3, a North Korean Earth observation satellite, explodes shortly after launch. April 26, 2012, former Liberian President Charles Taylor is found guilty on 11 counts of aiding and abetting war crimes. May 12, 2012, the 2012 World Expo begins in Yeosu, South Korea. May 22, 2012, Tokyo Skytree, the tallest self-supporting tower in the world at 634 meters high, is opened to the public. June 11, 2012, iOS 6.0 is released. June 24, 2012, Lonesome George, the last known individual of the Pinta Island tortoise subspecies, dies in Galápagos National Park, making the subspecies extinct. July 4, 2012, CERN announces the discovery of a new particle with properties consistent with the Higgs boson after experiments at the Large Hadron Collider. July 27, 2012, the 2012 Summer Olympics begins in London, England, United Kingdom. August 12, 2012, the 2012 Summer Olympics ends in London, England, United Kingdom. September 2012, Jacob advanced to 6th grade. September 7, 2012, Canada officially cuts diplomatic ties with Iran by closing its embassy in Tehran. October 25, 2012, Windows 8 is released. November 6, 2012, Barack Obama is re-elected President of the United States. November 18, 2012, Miiverse, Nintendo Network and Nintendo eShop are opened in the Wii U. The same day when Wii U is released. December 8, 2012, Nintendo TVI is opened. December 14, 2012, Sandy Hook Elementary School shooting occurs. December 21, 2012, Jacob thought it's going to end, but it is not. January 11, 2013, the French military begins a 5-month intervention into the northern Mali conflict. February 15, 2013, a meteor explodes over the Russian city of Chelyabinsk in Russia, but that's not enough to cause an extinction. February 21, 2013, American scientists use a 3D printer to create a living lab-grown ear from collagen and animal ear cell cultures. March 13, 2013, Cardinal Jorge Mario Bergoglio of Argentina became the 266th Pope. March 27, 2013, Canada becomes the first country to withdraw from the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. April 4, 2013, Jacob and Audrey turned 12. April 24, 2013, Miiverse and Nintendo Network are opened in PCs, smartphones, and tablets. June 10, 2013, iOS 7.0 is released. July 1, 2013, Croatia becomes the 28th member of the European Union. July 13, 2013, alphas appeared in Pikmin 3. September 2013, Jacob and Audrey finished elementary school and moves on to middle school in 7th grade. September 21, 2013, al-Shabaab Islamic militants attack the Westgate shopping mall in Nairobi, Kenya. October 10, 2013, delegates from some 140 countries and territories sign the Minamata Treaty. October 12, 2013, Greninja first appeared in Pokémon X and Y. October 17, 2013, Windows 8.1 is released. November 5, 2013, the Mars Orbiter mission is launched by India from its launchpad in Sriharikota. November 17, 2013, Tatarstan Airlines Flight 363 crashes at Kazan Airport, Russia. November 21, 2013, Euromaidan pro-EU demonstrations begin in Ukraine. December 7, 2013, 9th Ministerial Conference of the World Trade Organization delegates sign the Bali Package agreement aimed at loosening global trade barriers. December 9, 2013, Miiverse is opened in Nintendo 3DS. December 14, 2013, Chinese unmanned spacecraft Cheng 3, carrying the Yuta rover, becomes the first spacecraft to soft land on the Moon since 1976. December 15, 2013, fighting between ethnic Dinka and Nuer members of the Presidential Guard break out in Juba, South Sudan. January 1, 2014, Latvia officially adopts the euro as its currency and becomes the 18th member of the Eurozone. January 19, 2014 to 2014 Bannu bombing occurs. February 2014, the Ebola virus epidemic in West Africa begins. February 7, 2014, the 2014 Olympic Winter Games ends in Sochi, Russia. February 23, 2014, the 2014 Olympic Winter Games ends in Sochi, Russia. March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370, a Boeing 777 airliner en route to Beijing from Kuala Lumpur, disappears over the Gulf of Thailand. March 21, 2014, Russia formally annexes Crimea. March 24, 2014, the United Kingdom, the United States, Italy, Germany, France, Japan, and Canada temporarily suspend Russia from the G8. April 4, 2014, Jacob and Audrey turn 13. April 27, 2014, the Catholic Church simultaneously canonizes Popes John XXIII and John Paul II. May 29, 2014, Mario Kart 8 is released. June 12, 2014, the 2014 FIFA World Cup begins in Brazil. June 13, 2014, the military intervention against ISIL begins. June 17, 2014, iOS 8.0 is released. June 29, 2014, the Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant declares itself a caliphate. July 13, 2014, the 2014 FIFA World Cup ends. July 17, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 17, a Boeing 777, crashes in eastern Ukraine after being shot down by a missile. July 23, 2014, the 2014 Commonwealth Games takes place in Glasgow, Scotland. August 8, 2014, the United States military begins an air campaign in northern Iraq to stem the influx of ISIL militants. August 9, 2014, the shooting of Michael Brown occurs in Ferguson, Missouri. September 2014, Jacob advanced to 8th grade. October 19, 2014, the Roman Catholic Church beatifies Pope Paul VI. October 20, 2014, iOS 8.1 is released. November 2, 2014, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change releases the final part of its fifth assessment report, warning that the world faces severe, pervasive and irreversible damage from global emissions of carbon dioxide. December 3, 2014, JAXA launches unmanned space probe Hayabusa 2 from the Tanegashima Space Center on a 6-year round-trip mission to Ryugu to collect rock samples. December 28, 2014, Indonesian AirAsia Flight 8501 from Surabaya, Indonesia to Singapore crashes into the Java Sea just southwest of Borneo. January 1, 2015, the Eurasian Economic Union comes into effect, creating a political and economic union between Russia, Belarus, Armenia, Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, and Lithuania officially adopts the euro as its currency, replacing the litus, and becomes the 19th Eurozone country. March 6, 2015, NASA's Dawn probe enters orbit around Ceres. March 9, 2015, iOS 8.2 is released. March 24, 2015, an Airbus A320-11 operated by Germanwings crashes in the French Alps. April 4, 2015, Jacob and Audrey turned 14. April 8, 2015, iOS 8.3 is released. April 25, 2015, the 2015 earthquake strikes Nepal and causes 8,857 in Nepal, 130 in India, 27 in China, and 4 in Bangladesh. May 1, 2015, Expo 2015 begins in Milan, Italy. May 12, 2015, a second major earthquake in Nepal, measuring 7.3 on the moment magnitude scale, results in 153 in Nepal, 62 in India, 1 in China, and 2 in Bangladesh. June 6, 2015, the governments of India and Bangladesh officially ratify their 1974 agreement. June 24, 2015. Corin is first appeared in Fire Emblem Fates. June 30, 2015, Cuba becomes the first country in the world to eradicate mother-to-child transmission of HIV and syphilis. July 14, 2015, NASA's new Horizons spacecraft performs a close flyby of Pluto. July 20, 2015, Cuba and the United States re-establish full diplomatic relations. July 29, 2015, Windows 10 is released. September 2015, Jacob and Audrey finished middle school and moves on to high school in 9th grade. September 10, 2015, scientists announce the discovery of Homo naledi. September 14, 2015, the first observation of gravitational waves. September 16, 2015, iOS 9.0 is released. September 24, 2015, a stampede during the Hajj pilgrimage in Mecca occurs. September 28, 2015, NASA announces that liquid water has been found on Mars. October 3, 2015. A United States airstrike on a Medecines Sans Frontières hospital in Afghanistan. October 10, 2015, a series of suicide bombings in Ankara. October 21, 2015, iOS 9.1 is released. October 26, 2015, the 2015 earthquake strikes the Hindu Kush region. October 31, 2015, Cogline Avia Flight 9268 crashes near Al-Husna in Sinai. November 30, 2015, the 2015 United Nations Climate Change Conference is held in Paris. December 8, 2015, iOS 9.2 is released. December 15, 2015, the Islamic military alliance is formed in order to fight terrorism. December 22, 2015, SpaceX lands an unmanned Falcon 9 rocket.